Hello friends, my name is Sourav Kumar. I am from Himachal Pradesh. I am pursuing BCA from Chandigarh University. So as it's our last year from to get a degree, so college has provided us with the 6 months of internship. So I was looking for companies on internet for internship. So I get reference about EME Technologies. Um, Here I am taking in internship in Android. My guide is Sumit sir, who has very good skills and very humble and clears all doubts. And in EM technology, we have very friendly environment. We have very flexible timings. We can come anytime and adjust every time. For those who want part-time jobs, they can also get jobs by EME. Overall experience was good.